properties file in Python, similar to Java properties. Given the following format, .properties or .ini. For Java, there is the properties class that offers functionality to parse/interact with the above format. Is there something similar in Python's standard library, 2.x? If not, what other alternatives do I have?
Try configparser. I was able to get this to work with configparser. No one showed any examples on how to do this, so here is a simple Python reader of a property file, an example of the property file. Note that the extension is still .properties, but I had to add a section header similar to what you see in .ini files, a bit of a bastardization, but it works. The Python file, Python property reader.py. The property file, configfile.properties. For more functionality, read this URL.
I know that this is a very old question, but I need it just now and I decided to implement my own solution, a pure Python solution, that covers most users' cases, not all. You can change the set to colon to parse files with format. The code parses correctly lines like. You'll get a dict with.
For .ini files there is the configparser module that provides a format compatible with .ini files. Anyway, there's nothing available for parsing complete .properties files. When I have to do that I simply use Python. I'm talking about scripting.
A Java properties file is often valid Python code as well. You could rename your myconfig.properties file to myconfig.py. Then just import your file, like this, and access the properties directly. If you don't have multi-line properties and a very simple need, a few lines of code can solve it for you. File t.properties. Python code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.